Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn. If you new here, please subscribe to my channel. Today we will discuss about profit, loss, discount and VAT. What is profit? Profit is the amount gained after selling a product more than its cost price. Profit is equal to selling price greater than cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is loss? Loss is the amount the seller gets after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. Loss is equal to selling price less than cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is cost price? The amount paid for a product or commodity to purchase it is called a cost price. This cost price is further classified into two different categories: fixed cost, variable cost. What is fixed cost? The fixed cost is constant. It doesn't vary under any circumstances. What is variable cost? It could vary depending as per the number of units. Now, what is selling price? Selling price, the amount for which the product is sold is called selling price. Selling price is denoted by SP. Let us define profit. Suppose you brings a football for 500 rupees and you sells it to your friend for 600 rupees. Then you has made profit of 100 rupees. Cost price 500 rupees and selling price 600 rupees. Selling price greater than cost price, that is profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Profit is equal to 600 minus 500. Profit is equal to 100. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100 is equal to 100 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 20%. Profit percent is equal to 20%. Let us define loss and loss percent. Suppose you brings a football for 500 rupees and you sells it to your friend for 400 rupees. Then you has made loss of 100 rupees with the loss percent of 20%. Cost price 500 rupees and selling price 400 rupees. SP less than CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to 500 minus 400. Loss is equal to 100 rupees. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. 100 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 20%. Loss percent is equal to 20%. The formula for the profit and loss percent is profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. If SP greater than CP, we get profit. For example, suppose a shopkeeper has bought 1 kg of apples for 100 rupees and sold it for 120 kg. How much is the profit he got? Given cost price for apple is 100 rupees, selling price for apple is 120 rupees. Then profit gained by shopkeeper is Profit is equal to SP minus CP. 120 minus 100 is equal to 20 rupees. Profit is equal to 20 rupees. To find SP when CP and profit percent are given. For example, the cost of a refrigerator is 15,500 rupees. 75 rupees is spent on its transportation. If sold at a profit of 20%, find the selling price of refrigerator. Given cost price of refrigerator 15,500 rupees, extra expenditure 75 rupees, total cost price is equal to 15,500 plus 75 rupees is equal to 15,575. Profit is equal to 20% of CP. 20 divided by 100 into 15,575 is equal to 3,150 rupees. Therefore, SP is equal to CP plus profit is equal to 15,575 plus 3,150 is equal to 18,725 rupees. Therefore, SP is equal to 18,725 rupees. Now let us define discount. What is discount? The rebate on marked price which is offered by shopkeeper to clear his old stock or increase the sale is called discount. What is marked price? The printed price over an article is known as marked price. Thus, discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Let us understand discount with the help of example. The price marked at a pair of shoes 800 rupees and shopkeeper sell it at 640 rupees. Find the rate of discount given by him. Given marked price a pair of shoes 800 rupees, selling price 640 rupees. Therefore, discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. 800 minus 640 is equal to 160 rupees. Discount percent is equal to discount upon marked price into 100 is equal to 160 divided by 800 into 100 is equal to 20%. Discount is equal to 20%. What is VAT? Full form of VAT, value added tax. Tax paid by the customer is called VAT. VAT is the tax paid by customer who purchased any product. In VAT, everyone who buys a product got value after tax is added to it by seller. The seller add VAT and collect it from buyer. For example, when a computer is assembled, VAT is charged on all the supplies they purchase for assembling the computer. So, when the finished good reached to customer who purchases it must pay the VAT that applied on it. So, it is a tax on estimated marked value added to the value of a product at each stage of its manufacturing, which is ultimately passed on to the customer. VAT is charged on the cost price of a product. VAT amount is equal to VAT percent divided by 100 into CP, and it is added to the CP of the article. Let us define VAT with the help of example. Reema purchased oven for 5,400 rupees, including 8% VAT. Find the price of oven before VAT was added. Let the price of oven 100 rupees. VAT on oven is equal to 8% of 100. 8 divided by 100 into 100 is equal to 8 rupees. Total money paid for oven is equal to 108. Then cost price of oven is equal to 100 rupees. If the price paid for an oven is 1 rupees, then cost price of oven is equal to 100 divided by 108. If the price paid for an oven is 5,400 rupees, then price of oven is equal to 100 divided by 108 into 5,400 is equal to 5,000 rupees. Thus price before adding VAT is equal to 5,000 rupees. I hope you like this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.